Hey there, welcome to Funny Farm. We were supposed to get 3 days of nice warm weather again, so I was out here dragging seedlings in and out of my house, and I found that my husband left for me on the table some mail that I wasn't expecting. Give it a shake, it sounds like seeds. I'm excited to see what's in here. I'm still sitting on the porch drinking my coffee in my crazy chicken pajamas. This seed mail is from Allie at My Rusty Garden. Thank you so much, Allie, for sending these to me. I'm about to find out what's in here. Hard to do with one hand. Oh my goodness, there's so much in here. Oh my goodness. She's adding to my hoard. We got a nice card in here. Dearest Kim, I hope you're well and can use some seed for your sidewalk sales. Happy sowing, happy growing, Allie. Obviously, she knows I like to grow things in all the colors because look, we've got rainbow mix of carrots, 3 different kinds of beets, all the colors of Swiss chard, burgundy, purple, and green beans, yellow pear cherry tomatoes, cherry rose, Bonnie's Best. Got a cucumber, that'll come in handy. I haven't planted cucumbers yet. Sweet William, different colors of hot peppers, pimento peppers, candy cane zinnias, some more nasturtiums, and a cantaloupe. Allie, that was so sweet of you. I am in heaven. Thank you for sending me this lovely package. Have a great day. Happy gardening. If you're not watching Allie at My Rusty Garden, you should go subscribe. She's very funny. Now I need to motivate myself to get up and go out to the back in the raised beds and uncover all the stuff I had covered up for frost the last couple days. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. The peas took it like a champ. Not covered. Carrots did okay. We have these covered. But a few of these potatoes that were also covered, they're a little bit touched. They will recover and keep growing though.